So in this video we will learn how to hard reset for any model of Acer Chromebook. Suppose you forgot your password and you cannot access your Chromebook. In that case you need to hard reset your Chromebook to access it. So we will learn how to hard reset it. So to do that, first we need combination of three key. First this one, that one and this power button. So first press ESC, this one and that one, and power button. So press and hold. So press and hold. So the screen come back. Okay. When the screen come back, you need to lift your hand. Now it says Chrome operating system is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. But you do not need to. What you need to do, press Control this one and D. Control and D. So this one and D. Okay. Now it says to turn operating system verification off, press enter. So press enter, this one, enter. Now it says press space to re-enable. So press space, this one. Now operating system verification is off. Press enter to confirm. Okay, so we need to press enter. So this one. So press this one. Now the system will reboot and local data will be cleared. So now the Chromebook will hard reset and it will come back. It becomes like a new Chromebook. Okay, so the system reboot and now it's become a new Chromebook. But remember that all of the data of the Chromebook will be lost, so it's better to save all of the data online. Okay, thanks for watching.